again. Let's go down to number one. They need to come as a good cohesive unit against the Chandigarh Chargers, who are of course struggling at the 6th place in that points table. Kulvinder Dalal and Ravi Kumar on the corners. Dikshit Kumar, Dinesh and Bablu Singh will be holding the raiding duties. Yogesh Chahal and Vikram Singh in the covers. Gurmeet, Nikesh, Sumit, Bhagram Singh and Neeraj Chahal in the substitution along with their coach Sonu. And along the top of the table, but they need to prove their consistency.
ओ एब्सोल्युटली हम्पी हीरोज ने डबल एच, जी है, डबल एच की जो टीम है, सेंटर पे सोमेश्वर दर्शन रहेंगे, राइट कवर और लेफ्ट कवर पे दर्शन आर और हरीश आर, इनकी जोड़ी में दाहिने तरफ कृपासागर, जी हाँ कृपासागर, और लेफ्ट इन पर है चेतन जंगमा, राइट कॉर्नर पे रहेंगे कृष्ण कुमार और शुभम भट्ट उनका लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे साथ देंगे। इसके अलावा 5 खिलाड़ी जो बेंच पे मौजूद है वो है सुहास नागराज, आकाश मोहन, तरुण डी, विकास डी और तेजा नायक। ये 5 खिलाड़ी है नवीन आज बेंच पे।
Yeah, Teja Naik was his name. But Dhanushri was flipping the coin over and that fell in favor of the Chandigarh Chargers. So Someshwar Hampi here.
ये सोमेश्वर दर्शन, oh.
I think only 1 point. 2 points, but hang on. I think the defender first crossed over. He had the anti-block going in. Can the Chandigarh Chargers review and say there should be only 1 point? Because if once the defender crosses off, it is not 2 points. Now watch this, the left cover. There, he is what is being given in. Yeah, because the raid continued and Bablu Singh, he beats the chain, comes across and beats Chetan Jangama in that left in.
Jersey number 23 out.
जी हाँ, यहाँ पे देखिए रास्ते को निकाला बबलू सिंह। बबलू सिंह कमाल के खिलाड़ी है, बहुत ही छरहरे।
But the problem with Someshwar Darshan is he doesn't turn towards the lobby. Again, see, this is a problem. This exactly is a problem, and his long hands and legs does not save him. See, when as a left raider, if you don't turn towards the lobby, no matter how long your hands and legs are, it will be useless. जैसे कि अगर कानून के हाथ लंबे हैं, but justice delayed is justice denied. This is just phenomenal and nice to see that the parents of the think tank team coming in and supporting. And once again, Harish. Oh, come on. Harish Ranganath. Toe touch. Oh, that was brilliant. Nicely sat down. Navneet, Nikesh Ravinder. He's coming from the bench and again he's got a point. Running hand touch. And look who's he targeted. The big whale. Darshan Ravi needs to go back. At my height, I've stood next to Someshwar Darshan. He's also, I think, 1 inch taller than me. But this is a tall tackle from Krishna Kumar. From the right corner, the captain does well. And he puts out Nikesh for the very first time. Nice little block and hold. Only generally for tall people like us. Pickled out, and Nikesh Ravinder. He's been effective from the time he's come out from the bench. Couple of points. Krishna Kumar fumbles and a very good escape from Nikesh Ravinder. Now, Navneet, there's an interesting thought here. Yes, it is India 1 Kabaddi Kamal moment from Nikesh Ravinder. But I think Akash Mohan is a right corner defender. Darshan Ravi! Oh, that was a solo tackle, but then the escape was even better. Nikesh is showing to the world in this edition 11 how to pick up points from Darshan Ravi. This is the second time that he's doing it. Yeah, using his legs to escape.
वो टच नहीं हुआ था। 20 और 16, 12-10 रेड पॉइंट्स में। और सक्सेसफुल यहाँ पे बात की जाए तो सक्सेसफुल रेड में चंडीगढ़ का जो प्रदर्शन है वो अच्छा रहा है, 18 में से 11। वहीं हम्पी का 18 में से 8। और टैकल्स भी थोड़ा सा कोर्ट पर सजा करके गुलदस्ता आपके लिए लाई है। एक तरफ चंडीगढ़ चार्जर्स ने चार्ज किया है।
Nikesh Ravinder is saying 2 points, but only 1 point. गुलदस्ता सजा कर रखा है. That's a nice line. But यहाँ पर Darshan Ravi is just throwing the bouquet away. He should not keep doing this. I know. He is going for the blocks, but there is a hold. Does it? The surrender rate.
One plus with
That's
the
it, all out
Chargers.
inflicted. I
Alert.
think Navneet,
Heroes.
this is a time that Sharad Babu needs a timeout and talk to his players, to the plan. Just make sure that they have a clear mind, because Darshan Ravi has been targeted. Oh, brilliant escape! This is what Teja Nayak can do to you.
Humpy Heroes. Jersey
He
number
is a
24.
fighter. And a nice escape from the right covers his block. Navneet, he's powerful, and look at the agility that he has.
नहीं रहा है, पर जो एक जादूगर होता है ना, वो जादूगर है. देखिए, एक जादू फिर से
Correct.
दिखाया उन्होंने.
Raider save. 1 point. Chandigarh
बिल्कुल.
Chargers. Jersey number 31.
And as I said, पैर पर खुलाड़ी मार ली है. That is what is happening. Why should Someshwar Darshan go for the tackle?
Inside.
His job was to raid. Now look at this. He wanted to do a surprise
एक
tackle.
हाथ से, एक. जी हाँ नवीन, बहुत खूबसूरत एग्जाम्पल दिया. और कुछ आपने कभी वैसा किया है कि नहीं अपने दोस्तों के साथ, जब आप अभी तो आप 22 के हैं, जब आप 15 साल के हुआ करते थे, तो क्या आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ शादी में, किसी शादी में घुस गए, वहां पे खा के आ गए, जैसे 3 इडियट्स मूवी में दिखाया था?
I'll tell you what.
Yes.
No. No. You know me that I don't mince my words. Darshan Ravi
Yes.
himself goes into the lobby after getting the. Generally, I'm a big supporter of love come arranged matches. So that is there. The matchmaking should happen with love, and then it has to be arranged.
Heroes. Jersey number
आपने कहा
That's
लव
nice. That's 2
कम,
points for Krupa Sagar.
आपने कहा
हाँ?
लव कम.
Review unsuccessful. Raiders have 2 points. Humpy Heroes.
Yeah, lovely. Good
Chandigarh
decision.
Chargers,
No, why I
worries,
say
your review is over.
love is needed is because all the tackles in life, sometimes super tackles in life, will come to you, because this is India 1 Kabaddi Kamal moment. To your championship. If your love wins, that's more than enough.
Raider save.
And
जी हाँ.
Chandigarh
और
Raider
आपका
save 1 point.
out.
और इसी बात पे कि आपने लव की जीतने की बात कही.
To choose between the raid points, Navneet, it's just because of Nikish Ravindar's relentless attack on Darshan Ravi. It was 4-1 in favor of Nikish, and that is why you see the Chandigarh Chargers have won this match. And lot of dependency on Darshan Ravi also, because Krishna Kumar